feel the Reiki energy between our palms, allowing us to grow a Reiki ball. So here we're just going to feel the energy between the palms and then slowly separate the fingers, separating the palms, allowing that Reiki energy ball to grow ever so slowly. Noticing if there's a sensation in the palms, if there's a feeling, noticing if you can comprehend any colors or textures. Noticing if there's light strands between the fingers from fingertip to fingertip. And when you grow it to a decent size, about the size of a softball, giving it a little squeeze, noticing how there's resistance there, there's tension there. Setting your intention for your practice within the Reiki ball, whispering and telling it what your intention for the practice is today, for your own personal healing, for the healing of your body, mind, and spirit, for the highest good and the highest good of all, whatever it may be, telling it to your Reiki ball, and then taking the Reiki ball and offering it to yourself as a gift. So we're just slowly moving that Reiki ball with its intention, with its love and light, and bringing it into the physical body, placing your Reiki hands here, feeling into the energy of receiving that Reiki, that intention for your practice.